now, of course, we're back with the Wrap Institute, our experts in wrapping worldwide. And Justin, let us know what the people can see right now.
So what we're going to do right now is I'm working with Gimas Brazil, one of the best wrappers in the world, and we're going to wrap the hood of this Audi, and we're going to wrap it in about 20 minutes, but we're not going to just wrap the hood, and we're wrapping it with a new color from APA. It's their Silverstone color, which is really cool. And then we're going to show how to put custom stripes on top of the hood for that extra upsell, and we're going to do it all in about 20 minutes.
Very good. What are you using? What tools are you using here?
Well, we're going to be using a new tool. This is one that we just launched on the Wrap Institute. It's called S, because it's called Slip, Slide, and Shine. It's the world's first product for under the vinyl, on the vinyl, which is cool. We're using, again, APA's Silverstone, brand new color on the market. It's absolutely beautiful, and then the APA's gloss on top. Great squeegees.
And those stripes, I'm always fascinated about stripes, so what's your trick on stripes?
The trick is we're not going to use a measuring tape at all, and they're going to be perfectly centered and symmetrical. So that's one of the things we like on the Wrap Institute is being smart about what you do, having the right tools, but also kind of outside the box tools, and you can do stripes on a hood perfectly, make extra money, no tape measure.
Very good. Well, go ahead, guys.
All right,
let's have some fun.
Thank you. Gimas, let's wrap and roll. So what I'm going to do here first, again, this is S, is I'm putting S a little bit on the body lines right now to make it not stick too much. And this is a product we developed with a great company called PNS, and also another company called the Rag Company. So again, we put it on the body parts so they just kind of slide and glide, and then right here we put it a little bit on the main face. And basically this is just kind of lowering that surface energy, and this helps a lot, and it dries instantly, so now we're good to go. So then Gimas, ready for the panel? Cool. Let's do it. Oh. So we form it across, and right now we want to cut off the excess backing paper with the liner on so we can maybe use it tomorrow for mirrors. So we got that. So Gimas, you're good there? Yeah. So Gimas has a special cutter where we don't have to use a knife. Pull this across to here. So again, this is going to be safe for later. And then here at the front, we want to pull away a little bit of excess material. So Gimas, do you want to pick this up over here? So then Gimas is going to pull it across. This is a great knife that comes from Yellow Tools. So once Gimas makes that cut, I got it here. And then Gimas, let's go full cowboy, pull it underneath the vinyl. So what Gimas are doing are taking advantage of the low tack of APA. This is their value jet, their ultra jet. Always want to put the backing paper under the car. Got a lot of people walking around, and then Gimas and I are going to glass it out and pull nice and firm. Super hard, lay it on the surface right now. Make sure I have enough in my corner. Are you good there? Very good. Okay. So what I want to do right now is we want to pull it a little bit, so I'm going to tack it right across the top. Maybe Gimas tack yours across the top. And then what we're going to do is we're going to stand down here, and we're going to pull the material to the corner, kind of spread it out. So we're going to pull as hard as we can. This material is very thick, so pulling as hard as we can. But again, we're creating enough glass where I think it's good. Gimas, you happy? And we're basically just pulling it right to the body line. So I'm happy here,
talking right now, isn't it?
And I'm happy along this body line to here. And then what we can do now is I'm actually going to squeegee the body line first, because I like to kind of squeegee the material into the deepest part of the recessed area, so the material is nice and flat. And then what I can do now is I can just squeegee up, and I'm taking advantage of the air egress feature right now, where I can just squeegee the material, kind of loosen it to here, and all the air is coming out the top. So squeegeeing a nice, firm, overlapping squeegee strokes.
Great job, guys.
Taking the material up, and you can see that Gimas and I are going really fast right now and got most of it on. And then once we set, we got it to here, good. So this looks nice and good.
Great job, guys.
Thank you.
Very good. And now, in that short time, Justin, you're finished, man.
It's good. I mean, I'm working with a great installer, Gimas. But again, this is the power of the Wrap Institute. In this case, working with APA film, having the right techniques, zero stretch, being able to not just wrap a hood, and that's what we try to push on the Wrap Institute, is you can make X amount of money for wrapping the hood, but if you put a custom stripe on it, you could double your price, and your install time doesn't go much if you have the right tips and tricks. And keep in mind, no tape measure was used. This was all used, and it's perfectly symmetrical. It's awesome stuff. And then at the end, we put this S on top.
You put the S, yes?
Yeah, so that's super slidey, so the matte is matte, the gloss is gloss, and it's going to be protected for 6 years, or 6 months. So this is what gets me excited, you know, to be able to do this in 20 minutes and know that we can share this knowledge, and this is big money right here.
Fantastic. And What can we expect from tomorrow? You've already drawn a crowd, so all the guys have appreciated your work, and this is what we have to celebrate here. We're here at WrapFest. We're here for the wrapping community. 100%. Experts coming from across the world. Just what's in store for tomorrow?
Well, tomorrow I think Jimas and I will go deeper. We set the stage for tomorrow, so we're going to show mirrors, we're going to show bumpers, we're going to show lots of different techniques with PPF and stuff like that, and just really have fun. And again, having an expert like Jimas on site and my crew upstairs doing the Wrap Warrior contest, I mean, this is what it's all about. And thank you to FESPA for having the Wrap Institute here. It's been great.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.